The question I am going to handle now is, in a particular way of coding, the word central is coded as ABCDEFG and planetarium as HGFCBDFEUKZ. With the same coding, how can we express lantern? The options are A. GFCDFEG, B. GFCDBEC, C. GFCDEFG and D. GFCDBEB. See, these are all known as coding and decoding problems, and each question will have to be handled separately because the coding approach will be totally different. So here, what you have to do is, the one word is given as central, CNTRAL, and central is given as A, B, C, D, E, F and G. So what you understand will do like this is, C is being represented as A, E is being represented as B, N is being represented as C, T is being represented as D, R is being represented as E, A is being represented as F and L is being represented as G. This is a pattern which you have found out. See, this could be right, but only thing is, you will have to ensure that planetarium is also represented the same way. See, planetarium, PLANETARIUM. Now map it. So this will be H, G, F, C, B, D, F, E, U, K and Z. So now you have done a coding like this. What you have to do is, you have to ensure that the same coding is taking place here also. For example, A is written as F here, A is written as F. So if A is also written as F, then this is the pattern. This is the pattern. So wherever you find A, you will have to give the answer as F, the coding as F. Similarly, L, so L is here. L is coded as G, so L is coded as G. So everything is coded like that. So you will have to map it like this. Now for lantern, you will have to take only the representation from here. So L, L-A-T-E, L-A-N-T-E-R-N. So this is what is coded here. L is coded as G in both the places. So you will have to treat L as G. Similarly, A is coded as F in both the places. A will be F. And N is coded as C in both the places. N is C. T is coded as D. So T will be called as D here. It is D. And E is called as B. R is called as E. And N is called as C. So the answer is GFCDBEC. It is the B option. The answer is GFCDBEC. It is the B option. So you will have to map it like this. First you map one word, then see whether the same thing is happening in the second word. If A is F here, if A is also F here, then you don't have to do anything else. Map it like this and find out what is lantern. Now the easier way of doing it is, see, when you see the options there, all the four options have GFCD, GFCD, GFCD and GFCD. You don't have none of this option here. So don't bother about what is LANT. Don't bother about what is LANT. Find out what is E. See, E is given as B. The moment you get B, there are only two options, B and D. And in D option, you have got one more letter B, whereas lantern does not have one more E. Seeing only one letter B, you can give the answer as GFCDBEC. This is the faster way of doing it. Other way of doing it is, normally what happens whenever I get questions like this, the first 2 or 3 elements are always same in all the options. The first 2 or 3 elements are always same in all the options. Follow the reverse order. Find out what is N here. So N is given as C here, N is given as C. So here N will be C. And this is the only option which has C here. Seeing only one letter, you can give the answer. First is understand how to do this, then find out your shortcuts. This is the way of doing it faster. Follow the channel. I will be adding questions every now and then. Wish you all the best.